We're going to be making the Tom Collins, Negroni, Cosmopolitan, Espresso Martina, the Spicy Margarita and the Black Gold. It's all down to that shake. Now you really got to put some energy into that. Hi, I'm Cameron Fielding. Some of you might already know me as the mindful mixologist or the spiritual father of Smart Blend. What I love most about cocktails is that each one holds a story. It's an art that you can drink and it's just delicious, isn't it?
That's delicious.
For the past decade, I've been creating cocktails for global brands like Lyre's, Stoller, Amarula, and top bars such as Sushi Samba, Duck and Waffle, and more. I have a growing community of over 100,000 bartenders and drink enthusiasts. Throughout my career, I've talked to a lot of people who assume that making cocktails at home is too expensive, or they don't believe they'll be as delicious as they are in proper bars. I decided to build a course together with Now You Know to show people that the opposite is true. Once you've understood some basic principles, you can make fantastic cocktails at home. It's much more cost effective and fun than drinking them out in a bar. So, whether you want to work in this industry or you just want to have a fun night in, you don't need to go to school for it. By the end of this course, you'll be mixing like a pro. We'll start with setting up your own home bar and establishing some essential techniques. I'll take you through the basics, like syrup making and garnishing, and then we'll move on to more advanced methods, like creating foam and smoking cocktails. Then, you'll learn to create classic cocktails with my special twist, like rose and raspberry spritz, hadron pepper margarita, life's a peach, and many more. After mastering those, I'll teach you how to make some of my most loved original cocktails, like spray tan, morning glory, and so much more. Finally, you'll learn to improvise your own signature cocktails and learn my best tips and tricks to reveal your inner mixologist. You don't need any crazy equipment, previous experience, or a high budget. All you need is to roll up your sleeves and join me on this course.